I do think that one of the wonderful things the ISA has been doing over the last, over a decade, really, and throughout its existence, but really recently, has been this focus on building a global sociology, an approach to sociology that's diverse and multiple, but fit for the challenges of our time, and that recognizes and actively and positively addresses the limitations of the framework sociology developed through the 20th century. So I love the World Congress because you get to see the cutting edge work, that work that's emerging. It's going to shape the next decade of sociology. You get to see those postgraduate students and ECRs who maybe we haven't heard of yet, but are going to do the work that shapes that next decade as well. So I think there's two reasons to come to the World Congress. One is the coming together of a community of sociologists that are really vibrant in a time when sociology has never been more needed in the world. To meet some of the amazing Australian sociologists, but also to come to our beautiful city and our country. I have in my backdrop today the Central Square of Melbourne, and it is really, it's a beautiful city with a lot of activity that people come to from all over the world to learn. It's really an education and a knowledge and a student city.